Hi, we are Group 11 consisting of Pauline, Shannon, Dion, Rehan, and myself, Maho. So this will be our outreach and engagement proposal for the IBM Skillsbook platform. Moving on, the problem statement that we are presented with is that IBM Skillsbook is unable to achieve these three business objectives. Firstly, low awareness and reach among youths. Secondly, low retention and engagement of learners. And lastly, competitive and generic learning experience. Thus, this is the how might we statement that we have come up with. Moving on. The user persona that we have decided on is Jen Low, a 21-year-old university student in Singapore. We have listed down his key needs, motivation, and pain points with regards to online learning platforms. Moving on.
Next, I'll be touching on our proposed solution to address the low awareness and engagement with online learning among youths in Singapore. Our proposed solution is the integration of peer and community learning on the IBM Skillsbook platform. By leveraging this solution, we aim to create a personalized and engaging learning environment for youths who are seeking career readiness through affordable, flexible, and interactive learning experiences. Our platform introduces peer discussion boards, live mentorship sessions, and gamified leaderboards, enabling students to interact, learn together, as well as motivate each other. This fosters a strong sense of community and accountability, enhancing retention and long-term engagement. By leveraging peer-to-peer learning, we offer students not just certifications, but also a vibrant network of like-minded learners, pushing them to take charge of their own learning journey. Now let's take a look at the DBF framework and the impact effort matrix that helped us shape our approach. In terms of desirability, the solution is highly desirable as it aligns with the needs of the youth learners who are motivated by recognition, community, and career readiness. So we have given this a 5 out of 5 for desirability. For viability, the solution leverages existing IBM Skillsbook features like school partnerships, which makes it easy to align with the IBM's business objective. However, it received a 3 out of 5 for viability as it does require some effort to integrate our solution onto the platform itself. Finally, when it comes to feasibility, the technology is already available and the solution is scalable with a pilot-friendly approach. Thus, we have given it a 5 out of 5 for feasibility. The impact effort matrix shows that while this solution requires high effort in terms of development and management, the long-term impact in driving engagement and retention is substantial, making this solution a worthwhile investment.
Thank you, Pauline. Building on the proposed solution, I will now highlight how this initiative will be implemented and governed. Our approach brings together several key stakeholders. Community managers will ensure discussions remain safe, inclusive, and engaging. Educational partners, such as schools and institutes, will drive student adoption and provide ongoing feedback. The IT and development team will design and maintain community features, including forums, pods, and leaderboards, to foster active participation. Youth learners will be central to this ecosystem, contributing through peer accountability, collaboration, and co-creation of learning content. Finally, IBM management will oversee the rollout and ensure alignment with the organization's broader objectives. From a legal standpoint, the initiative upholds strong data privacy and protection standards in line with Singapore's PDPA and IBM global policies. It also safeguards user-generated content rights, while ensuring that all shared materials comply with copyright and licensing requirements. Together, these measures create a secure, inclusive, and sustainable community for learning and collaboration.
Moving on, I will be introducing to you our peer and community learning prototype. Let's click into the prototype link, which will lead us to the main landing page of IBM Skillsbook prototype website. Under this page, there is a new tab on the top of the page, which is our social tab. The social tab is essentially our peer and community learning page, which I would dive into right now. Under the social tab consists of 4 sub-tabs: community learning, friends and connection, live sessions, and leaderboards. Entering the community learning page, learners are able to join study groups, participate in discussions, and learn together as a community. Following that, the Friends and Connection tab enables learners to build their professional network through connecting with peers of the same learning interest. Next, the Live Session tab allows learners to join live workshops, webinars, to learn or clear their queries with our expert instructors. Last but not least, leaderboard and rewards allow learners to track their progress, compete with peers, and earn badges and recognition from learning achievements. The entirety of this prototype aims to create a fun and collaborative community for our youth learners. Now moving on to the testing stage. After developing our prototype, we conducted initial testing and gathered feedback from users. Many participants highlighted strengths such as a clean and engaging interface, motivational leaderboards, and clear progress tracking that made learning feel rewarding. However, they have also suggested some improvements, including a save later option to manage courses, study streaks to build consistent habits, and an offline mode to support flexible learning on the go. Overall, the feedback validated our concept, showing that learners value a more social and gamified experience that keep them motivated and connected.
Now, let's take a look at our project timeline. Our Gantt chart outlines a clear 6-month plan to bring this project to life. We'll start strong with planning and design in the first month. This is where we define our direction and set a solid foundation. Next, we move into development of core features over the next 1.5 months, focusing on building the essential function that will make the platform work seamlessly. By month 3, we'll begin testing and moderation for 1 month to fine-tune and ensure a smooth user experience. In month 4.5, we'll launch our pilot phase, which is testing the project in a real environment to gather meaningful feedback. After that, we'll spend 1 month on evaluation and refinement, improving and enhancing based on what we learn. Finally, in the last month, we'll execute the full rollout and marketing, introducing the project to a wider audience and driving awareness. Next, moving on to our call to action. First, we'll launch the pilot by partnering with local institutions and introducing the program to around 100 to 200 students. We'll collect feedback on engagement and completion to understand what works best. Then, we'll enhance and scale. Using the feedback gathered, we'll refine our approach and expand our reach across Singapore through targeted marketing efforts. And finally, we'll tap into our growth potential, reaching international students and connecting learners globally based on shared skills and study paths. To conclude, our team believes that with your support, we can translate this plan into meaningful impact, powering students, strengthening partnerships, and fostering a truly connected learning community. Thank you.